Hello and welcome to On the Go with Beau. We begin this episode with a big announcement. The Texas Education Agency has released their school ratings, and we're very proud to announce that Montgomery ISD earned an A. The ratings are based on a number of criteria, including student achievement, school progress, and how a district strives for equality for all students by working to close performance gaps between various student groups. Congratulations, students, teachers, administrators, and everyone who's had a part in our students' education. Together, you've earned this achievement. For more information on the rankings, check out txschools.gov. On Thursday, August 15th, we welcomed over 9,000 students to our campuses across Montgomery ISD. From our littlest learners just beginning kindergarten to our high school seniors preparing for their life after high school graduation. We're looking forward to seeing all the great things they will experience and accomplish throughout the 1920 school year. With the school year in full swing, open houses are right around the corner for many of our elementary campuses. These events give parents a glimpse into the school day by sharing what students are learning and allowing them to show off their hard work. It's also a great opportunity for parents and guardians to become engaged in their child's education by learning about the curriculum, expectations, and what they can do at home to help. Dates and times vary, so contact your child's campus for details or visit their website. Thanks for watching On the Go with Beau. See you next time.